If you've ever searched, how long do cats live? You're probably trying to figure out how to maximize your best friend's lifespan. But here is a shocking fact most cat parents don't know. Cats have an incredibly low thirst drive because their ancestors got moisture from prey, meaning your cat is likely living in a constant state of mild dehydration. Over time, this stagnant water bowl rejection is a primary driver of chronic kidney disease, cutting their lives short. That's why this PetLibro Stainless Steel Fountain is a non-negotiable essential. The constantly moving stream naturally mimics running wilderness water, triggering their deep survival instinct to drink substantially more. It literally flushes their system, protects their kidneys, and adds vital, healthy years to their life.
If you've ever searched, "Why is my cat peeing outside the litter box?" or "How to stop cats from fighting," you're dealing with a deeply stressed out pet. When cats feel anxious due to routine changes, a new pet, or loud noises, they don't cry. They act out by scratching your furniture, hiding, or spraying urine on your walls. Punishing them doesn't work because it's an emotional cry for help. That's why the Feliway Optimum Diffuser is an absolute must-have. It plugs right into your wall and releases an advanced odorless replication of natural feline calming pheromones. It instantly communicates safety and comfort to their brain on a biological level. It completely diffuses the hidden anxiety causing their bad behavior, restoring total peace and harmony to your home.
If you've ever searched, "Why does my cat sleep so much?" or noticed them constantly hiding under blankets, it's because cats are natural-born predators who require up to 16 hours of deep sleep to stay healthy. But in a busy house, they can rarely find a spot that feels truly safe from foot traffic, loud noises, or other pets, leaving them chronically stressed and on edge. That's why this deep donut calming bed is an absolute essential. The raised, ultra-plush rim acts like a protective security barrier, allowing your cat to burrow down and feel completely hidden from the world. It provides orthopedic joint support while mimicking the natural warmth of nesting with their mother. It gives your cat the ultimate anxiety-free sanctuary they need to recharge, leading to a much happier, more relaxed pet during their waking hours.
If you've ever searched how to entertain a bored cat, you know that a lack of mental stimulation quickly turns into destructive behavior, like scratching walls or midnight zoomies. Indoor cats retain a powerful wild hunting instinct, but standard plastic toys get boring fast. That's why this automatic 3-in-1 toy is a total game changer. It combines a flying butterfly, a hidden moving feather, and rolling trackballs to perfectly mimic real, unpredictable prey. It triggers their natural urge to stalk and pounce, burning off nervous energy. It safely keeps your cat active and entertained for hours, even when you aren't home.
If you've ever searched, "Why is my cat throwing up hairballs?" you know how heartbreaking it is to hear that hacking sound. While grooming is completely normal, the loose fur your cat swallows often gets trapped in their stomach, forming dense clumps that can cause dangerous intestinal blockages. That's why vetoquinol laxatone is a non-negotiable staple for cat parents. This veterinarian-recommended lubricant gel gently coats the swallowed hair, allowing it to pass safely and comfortably through your cat's digestive tract instead of being hacked up onto your carpet. It completely eliminates the discomfort of blockages in a tasty, tuna-flavored gel they will easily lick right off your finger.
Ever wonder why your cat ignores an expensive cat treat just to squeeze into a tiny, ugly shipping box? It's a survival instinct. Cats are naturally drawn to enclosed spaces because tight walls trap their body heat and make them feel completely safe from hidden threats. But you don't have to turn your living room into a cardboard recycling zone to keep them happy. A stylish cardboard cat house with a built-in scratcher gives them the exact, cozy hideaway they crave without the eyesore. It fulfills their obsession with tight spaces, lowers their daily stress, and channels their scratching urges onto a durable inner pad instead of your couch. Let's face it, the absolute worst part about owning a cat is scooping the litter box every single day. If you don't stay on top of it, the odor quickly takes over your entire home, and a dirty box can cause your cat to start going on your rugs out of protest. That's why switching to an automatic self-cleaning litter box completely changes the game. Equipped with advanced proximity and weight sensors, It automatically cycles and sifts away waste minutes after your cat steps out, sealing everything into an extra-large odor-locked bottom compartment. It keeps the litter pristine for weeks without you lifting a finger, completely eliminating the smell and giving you your freedom back.
If you have a hyperactive indoor cat who attacks your ankles or gets the midnight zoomies, they are likely desperate for a physical outlet. Cats are built for short, explosive bursts of daily hunting, but waving a one toy after a long day of work is usually the last thing you want to do. An automatic, motion-activated laser toy is the perfect hands-free solution. Instead of moving in boring, predictable circles like cheap toys, its dual motors generate completely random, unpredictable paths across your floors and walls to mimic frantic prey. It automatically wakes up and triggers a 15-minute play session the second your cat walks by, giving them a massive cardio workout and burning off that chaotic energy completely on autopilot.
If you've ever caught your indoor cat sneakily chewing on your expensive houseplants, they aren't just trying to make a mess. In the wild, felines instinctually eat fresh greens to supply vital fiber and nutrients that help clear out hairballs and keep their digestion running smoothly. The problem is, many common household plants are highly toxic to them. An all-in-one cat grass growing kit is the safest way to bring the outdoors inside. You simply add water once, and within a few days, you'll have a fresh patch of chemical-free, nutrient-rich grass. It completely satisfies their natural grazing cravings, safely protects their stomach, and saves your favorite houseplants from getting shredded.
It's incredibly frustrating to watch your cat completely shred the corners of a brand new couch, turning expensive upholstery into a frayed mess. But your cat isn't doing this to be spiteful. Scratching is a vital health requirement for them to stretch their muscles, mark their territory, and shed the dead outer layers of their claws. That's why these heavy-duty, crystal-clear furniture protectors are an absolute lifesaver for your living room. These medical-grade, flexible sheets adhere smoothly to your fabric or leather couch corners, providing a completely invisible shield that sharp claws simply cannot penetrate. Because cats rely on the physical resistance of fabric to mark their territory, they instantly lose interest the second they feel this slick, smooth surface. It immediately redirects their behavior toward their actual scratching posts, protecting your home's aesthetic and saving you thousands in furniture repairs. It's incredibly frustrating to watch your cat completely shred the corners of a brand new couch, turning expensive upholstery into a frayed mess.